Alright, welcome to this video walkthrough. Second floor. Got closets at the end of that corridor. Some good coat closet space right there. Leads us right into the living room area. It's partitioned by a breakfast counter. Over there we got the bathroom. Here to the right. Standing shower tub, combo, toilet, vanity, sink, little towel rack. All right. Lots of counter space, cabinets, gas stove, oven, sink, a couple of windows. Over here, you can actually, yeah, that's, all those lights are the lights above Salem Street. So back here is the bedroom. I'd say you'd be lucky if you could fit a full bed comfortably in that space. But that's why it's priced at the number that it is priced at. All right, and that just looks over out into the rear of the building. Heat and hot water included. Oh, just for those of you that are curious, this is just a egress. That's a little deck shared. Heat and hot water included. So if you have any more questions, please contact me, Angel at Leopold McMaster's Realty. Have a good one.